Good day again, guys. It's another day for our rabbits. So I will feed them today with their regular diets, which is the concentrates or the commercial feeds. They are now in their breeder stage or breeding stage, so I will feed them with a breeder commercial pellets. So this is the feed I gave them. It is enough for them for one day. Okay, so they knew their schedule of feeding. They're already excited. Okay, they are already excited. They know it is time to eat. I stopped feeding them with forage because some rabbits dies days later after I feed them. There are still rabbits over there. So this is a breeder. Uh, it is to boost their breeding performance. Hey, come here. Okay, that is enough for them. They will consume it overnight. There's still rabbit there. Okay, so all in all, I have 14 adult rabbits, 3 weanlings. As you can see, there are 3 small rabbits there. And then I still have rabbits here, baby rabbits. There. They're not going outside yet. I don't know how many are there in the hole, but they're not going outside yet. And then after that, I will change their water. Their water must be clean always. It must be changed regularly. Okay, so that's it, and have a good day.